Hit or miss spotty showers and isolated thunderstorms peppered the region here on Tuesday from a pair of low pressure systems continuing their trek through our region very slowly. So one is up towards Thunder Bay and one is down towards La Crosse, and in between, the trough that they create is creating these showers and thunderstorms. There's a chance they'll continue till about 8 o'clock on Tuesday night, then maybe take a break overnight and then redevelop during the afternoon on Wednesday for one last 30% shot at precip. And I say one last shot, at least for a while, because high pressure is coming in from the west. And by Thursday, it'll make it sunny and dry around our area. Let's talk about the short-term forecast now. After we get a look at how much more rain could come through tomorrow afternoon. And since we're on the backside of the lows, it doesn't look like that much. Maybe a trace to about 1/10 of an inch additional accumulation. But since we're so dry, we can use it. Tonight in Minnesota, low temps, I think they'll go from about 55 to 60 degrees. And when those rain showers end around 8 p.m., it'll become partly cloudy. Do the same deal for Wisconsin, Michigan, lows there, mid to upper 50s. For tomorrow, Wisconsin and Michigan will get toasty, 80 to 85 degrees with a 20% chance for a parting shot of thunderstorms. It's slightly better in Minnesota, 30% chance there with 75 to 80 by the lake and about 80 to 85 inland. And that'll be about the last we see of rain for a while as higher pressure takes over to dry us up through the 4th of July weekend. Temperature trends may start chilly on Thursday from the start of this high, but finish warm for the 4th of July weekend. To find out how warm, you can get a look at the 7-day forecast without me hogging it up here by looking at the CBS 3 Evening News at 5, 6, and 10 p.m.